Just another day in TJ. Man, we got Mustangs over there. There's all kind of body shops to be seen. This guy, he know me. What's up, my friend?
What's up, my friend?
You work here now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what
you
you...
que come here.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Ricardo. Hay un paro aquí con este vato, mira.
Hey, how you doing?
Es que queda cliente de allá. Dile que suena para
English? How are you doing? So tell me translate for him. What's he trying to tell me?
He don't know working here.
Oh, he's working here, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you guys doing good work?
Yeah, you can bring the car for here for make it to him.
Okay. Well, if he's okay for him to show me around some of the work you do, because my friends always ask me, hey, who is the person to talk to? And he know me from up the street, he know me from down the street. So a lot of my friends are like, hey, show me something. So we can, and I say if they show you some good work, people come see you.
Something reality, good work.
Okay, so it's okay for him to show me around?
Yeah.
So let him know he can show me pictures, show me cars.
Yeah.
Okay. So show me work. Okay, show me.
Si ver los carros.
So here we are, again, at another body shop on the same block. And as you see, they know me here because he used to work at a different body shop. And we're seeing all kinds of level work being performed here.
Lo que es restore complete de car. Special car, restore for inside, outside, all complete.
So do you guys do interior here also?
Yeah, all complete.
Oh, you can do one-stop shop, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
We make it prepare the paint. Painted is polish.
Oh. Let me see. Yeah.
Install all complete.
Good prices?
Yeah.
Good prices? Oh, okay. Because up the street, we come from 8 hours away.
Yeah.
Go talk to Nicholas. The car not ready.
Oh yeah, I know to Nicholas.
Leave, come back.
Yeah.
No good. Juan did the same thing on my Volkswagen, that blue Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Mucho problema.
I come down here, it's not right.
No.
I drive long time, too many hours to go back home with nothing.
No, we say on date and we respect the date.
Okay, so that's what a lot of my friends are asking, like, is my car going to be safe and everything like that? And only thing I tell people who I'm talking to here is when we reach out to you, just send me a picture.
Yeah.
If you say a date, okay, we're going to show up on that date. Or if something's changing, just communication.
No, but we respect the date.
Yeah,
the first date.
And a lot of my friends, I will say, hey, if you call, just say, hey, how's it going? And you don't even have to say anything, send picture back. And they'll be like, oh, okay, I see what's going. That's all my friends, because we're from Palo Alto, that's by San Francisco, far away, and they wonder, what's going on with my car? Yeah. And so when a person will make arrangement with you, you tell them how long, and if they call to check, they're not calling to harass, just to say, how's it going? And I tell people, hey, the guy send you a picture, you'll know what's going on. And so I'm interviewing people on the block to let them know I got people.
Bring the car and try one house where we go.
Okay, yeah, I got lots more friends. They wanted to try because he know I have cars up the street. There's 3-car street for my friends. Yeah. We have 3 next door. We're trying to get some more in your shops. Okay, so I come to look at the work and put it on the internet and let people see, hey, they're doing good work down here in TJ. Okay, so for example, what was wrong with this truck?
It's for painting in brown.
Oh, okay. So it was hit pretty hard. I see you took. Oh wait.
Complete.
So you took the bed off so you can get all the paint here.
Yeah.
So you see no more silver, all brown.
Yeah, all brown for the original.
All original.
Yeah.
So you cannot see the other color.
You can see the inside, outside, all complete. This part, the part here, no, in the painted, no. We take it all complete for painted time.
Okay.
That part all complete. This too. When you see the cars or sell it, you sell a good car with all complete.
Yeah, so it won't be like move this, you see the other color. It's brown everywhere.
Yeah, the more original possible.
Okay, all right. And your name is?
Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Y Lalo. Lalo is good guy.
Oh, for sure. How can they reach you to ask you about something? Do you have a phone number or a card I can put?
Give you a card.
Give me a card, and that way, and maybe they call you WhatsApp, they send you a picture, and they can start a conversation. I know.
I can picture the WhatsApp thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here you guys go. Talking with Lalo. Lalo said, come see them. Okay. Lalo, I got many more cars.
Okay.
Many more.
Okay, my friend.
So we're at another shop.
Mira, Lalo. ¿Tu teléfono, Lalo?
664-485-97-51.
Both numbers. This is for Lalo. For him.
For Lalo, this is Lalo.
Yeah.
And these are the connections on WhatsApp, you guys. And so if you want to reach out to them, send them some pictures.
You can send pictures to this, no problem. This is him.
Okay. And therefore, you guys can start a conversation, and then you can decide what you want to do.
Yeah.
And they send you some pictures. You give them a general idea. Hey, if they want to come down, they come.
Yeah. Okay. Private one.
Okay, for sure. Oh, well, wrong hand. Thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you to you.
All right. Now we're on our way over to the third body shop. The original body shop I started with over 15 or so years ago. Maybe even longer. We got cars up in this body shop. Let's see what their status is. Let's see what we got over here. These are from my city. Hey! We got the... What color is this car gonna be? What color?
This.
Okay, what color is it gonna be? It's gonna be peach? Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, pearl. Oh, okay. 3 tones. Okay. So we're over here at the third body shop. My man here. How you doing, my friend? Good. Then we got my man over here, Puckett. They done dropped a whole quarter panel on this car for him. And I'm gonna look at it. This car, and this car, because I come here. I get to get you guys business. So we're over here looking at my man from San Ho. So you guys are getting ready to do the convertible top? Oh yeah, Nicholas showed me. He showed me the corner buffed out last time I was here, and so I know a little bit about it. He showed me when the tan material comes for the top and stuff. I was like, okay.
You bring cars to Pedro? You bring cars here to
Yeah, I send these people here.
Yeah?
This car, the Skylark, and the other car, I send over here. Okay. And so I got a car, 3 cars up the street right now, because they was too moving slow over here. So I went with economical. But my other friends who want to bring cars down here have been asking me, hey Rob, who else can we go through? You know. And so I was like, okay. Yeah, we send them here too. Yeah. And so, which I explained to everybody, Nicholas and Juan, and the other guys who I just met, and Rome and all of them, only thing that we're asking is, do us a good job. Please do not take shortcuts. If we agree to do something, do it. Because trust me, you found out with one Impala, the blue car, we left it here. You had to repaint it because the bodywork was not good. And so if you do it one time right, I will get you more cars. You do it one time bad, well then you got to work twice. And I don't blame nobody. I blame the person in charge, which will be Nicholas. That hey, if you have to look at it first before you make the phone call, hey, come get it. If you're not, and then you drive here, you look at it, it's no good. Go home mad. So that's why I explained to him, please quality check his work before he makes a phone call and say it's good to go. That's all I've always explained to him. And we can get you more cars, but you do quality work. Yeah, you want straight, shiny, smooth, and good job. So I'm gonna take a few pictures for Jason. This is Jason car from San Ho. Yeah. Oh, you guys got a problem over here. Yeah, you gotta paint the whole side over now. Somebody being Jay, somebody made a slip mark, so they gotta fix that. But yeah, we got the LS up in here. So got the doors off.
Upholstery check. The upholstery is.
You got the upholstery is here? Yeah. Let me see. So the seats and stuff are already done for the convertible Skylark. Let's see what he's working with. Oh, okay. The back seat. Oh, okay. The panels and stuff been done, doors already. Okay, all right. Well, you just need to get that top and that paint touched up, and you'll be good to go. Back seat. Yep. Unfortunate setback. I'm not even gonna tell him that you say a month, but who knows?
The top.
Okay, so you guys make the top from scratch. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. Looking good.
Maybe finish December's done.
Maybe December?
Yeah.
Okay, I will let Jason know that you said maybe December. He checked back with you at the end of the month.
Okay.
And see what's happening, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna get some food. I just come down to see what I can see. We will talk soon. Volkswagen. What color?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Green like green here?
No, like avocado.
Oh, like avocado. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, I talked to you. All right. And this is over here at the third body shop. This is Nicholas' shop. He aight. That's what I originally started with. And they did okay work. But as you just saw, they have an issue that someone else bumped into it, which is going to cost him money to fix that. The quarter panel scratch and that door fell over. But J-Car has been there for quite a while. Where other body shops over here, I have not been to these guys, but I've seen their work. Looks pretty good. How you doing? Chevelle. Honda's getting, they've cut the whole back half off and transplanted it on here. So that's a pretty intensive work there. You're cutting the whole back off of another car and grafting it onto it. And that part was even damaged, but they probably got it for a good price. But yeah, hey, you never know. Whenever you come to TJ, don't come with the Air Force Ones and your Jordans and stuff on. You need to tone it down, blend in. As you see, I'm looking pretty ordinary. I've been working on my car, taking parts off the Mustang, fixing it and stuff, so you gotta blend in. You can't come out here stunting in a third world country where you look like lunch food. So that's all I'm saying. Stay in your lane, know your surroundings. If you don't know your surroundings, act like you don't know. And slow down. Go get some food and go from there. Like I said, I've been here on multiple occasions. I've even got my hair cut here. Bought my belts here. Bought some leather stuff here before. Bought hats. Even took a few of my friends. They wanted to check on getting some teeth work done. So we're gonna eat some food and get back at you later. But if you needed a haircut, the haircut place was right up over here. One day I was here for 5 days and I stopped and I got a haircut because I was looking rough that day. But they knew what time it was and they got down. So it was cool. Like I said, once again, you know, it is whatever it is where you make it at. We're out of here.